Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how camera Pro mode looks on the Huawei P60 Pro. So to open the Pro mode we have to go to the next of the video mode, click on the Pro, and first of all I will recommend you to click on this information icon where you'll find description of each parameter. It's actually a lot of different parameters, so it's good to know what is going on here. And right now I'm going to show you how to adjust these parameters. First, we can find the matrix metering. Next, we can find ISO that we can set up manually or automatically by tapping on this button. Next, we can find aperture, here we can find shutter speed, here we can also find the exposure compensation, and that's the only parameter that we can only adjust manually. As you can see, there is no this automatic button like on the other options like ISO or for example the aperture. Here we can find focus range, so it's automatic focus and manual focus. And here we can find white balance with some presets and also manual slider and automatic adjustment right here. When you go to the top bar we can find photo format. Here we can enable or disable focus assisting light. We can also turn on or off the flashlight. Here we can add some filters to the Pro mode. And when you go to the settings, we can just open the standard settings of the phone. So as you can see, that's all for the Pro mode on the Huawei P60 Pro. Hope you like it.